Hello guys, so I'm going you another tactic that you can use in order for you to attract more clicks on your Pinterest pin, and we will be directing them to our website with affiliate links using this Viator affiliate program, which is a travel hotel affiliate program that you can use to earn 8% commission. So as you can see right here, we have this dashboard in a Viator partner. So now let me show you how you can create a beautiful pin with that attractive text right here. So as you can see here in the free AI image automation helper, we can pass a parameter image text right there, which a possibility that we can dynamically create a text on top of our beautiful AI image. It will attract more clicks to your pin because they have the good caption where they can easily read what your pin is all about. Okay. By the way, guys, this is will be random. Okay, so it will be a trial and error because this is an AI generator tool, so it may not have the exact text that you need. So this is advisable to keep the text really short or keep it under 20 characters in order for AI to adapt what exactly your text is. I will be showing you the full integration here, okay, which is already set up, and here after this I will be showing you the step by step so you can easily build this automation tool, okay, to create the Pinterest pin with a nicely captioned text on top of your beautiful image. Okay, so now let's run this first so you can see the actual result. Now here in our keyword, let's say for example we want this Zuma beach dog friendly, okay, or Malibu beach far pits. So we just need to mark this three keywords as done. So the automation will pick this up, this Malibu beach far pits right here, and let's run this automation right here. So let's run this. So it looks like our automation has successfully run and the pin has been created. Now let's check our Pinterest pin. And as you can see right here, this is the pin that we created. Look at that. We also included the text that we added, visit Malibu today, which adds more attraction, which makes our pin more attractive to those who will see this one. And we have here the description of our pin itself. This will help us, in Pinterest SEO, and also our keyword right here. And look at this, it automatically links to our blog post, the full blog post right here, because this is trimmed down based on the Pinterest description limit. So they have to click the link. So when they click the link, this goes to our actual blog post. Look at our blog post right here. So it also reused the image. You can change it by generating a separate image, but for this demo, we are just reusing the pin. That doesn't matter because we already attracted the visitor, and they are here in our WordPress blog post. And you see right here, we've got this beautifully structured SEO-friendly article, and look at that. This is the link that we created using this Viator widgets, which I'm going to show you. So just keep on watching how you can easily set that up. Okay, so that's the WordPress post that we did right here. So they can view this, SEO-friendly article, which created using the service of this article AI generator. It's all here in the steps. Look at this, just this 5 workflow step, and it created you the complete WordPress blog post, and the beautiful attractive pin right here with the text, which really attracts your viewer to click this link right here. And if they read about your blog post right here, you will have a good opportunity of landing some sale if you presented your article pretty well and they're interested to getting a package right here. Then you have the possibility of earning commission from Viator affiliate program right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in how this step by step, this full automation has been created step by step. So make sure you follow the complete video. You complete the video so that you will have the the information on how this got implemented. First of all, we have to prepare this template that I always show you here in order for you to, automate properly your keywords or article creation. So we will have just 2 columns right here, keywords and status. So for status, we all set this to pending, and then we will go and find our keywords using Ahref, okay, or whatever keyword tool you're familiar. So here you see right here, we are checking the keywords from this subreddit Malibu because we are going to create affiliate links, travel niche for Malibu. So as you can see right here, we have this subreddit right here that talks about anything related to Malibu. This is the easiest so far to gather keywords. When you grab a URL from subreddit, then just pop that into a keyword tool, then you will be able to find some untapped keywords that you can use as topics. Okay, so let's take a look at the keywords that are ranking for this subreddit right here, which we know we can grab as well. Now here, what I always do is gather those keywords with at least 4 words. Okay, so that because the longer the keywords, that means we have a long tail keywords and it's easier to make as articles. So show keywords right there. And you see right here, we've got plenty of keywords that we can use as articles. So we just gather some few of them. How to get a reservation at Nobu Malibu, which is, this one is a money keyword. Dog-friendly beaches in Malibu. Look at that. That means, someone who's planning to go to Malibu with a dog and, may create a booking, which is a really good keyword as well. And Nobu Malibu reservations, so Zuma Beach dog friendly. Let's take those sample keywords right there. Malibu Beach far pits. So we gathered these 4 keywords, for example, and put them in here in our templates, which we will be capturing from using make.com. So now let's start. The first step right here is to find the keyword. Okay, we will fetch 1 keyword at a time. So that means here you add a module using Google Sheets and use this function, search rows. And then, of course, we will select the spreadsheet where we added those keywords. So here in the spreadsheet, it's in KW. As you see right here, this is the name of our spreadsheet, and it's in sheet number 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and select sheet number 6 right there. And yes, we have the column name. Now, the column name that we want to filter is the status. So we will get 1 every time this automation runs. So set this maximum as 1. Just like that. Okay, click OK. Now, the next thing that we will do is, of course, once we have the keyword, we will generate an article, which is really important to attract audience. We have to create our own audience. We have to direct them to our own platform, which the easiest is our WordPress website. So this one, you can use any, like for example, OpenAI, or if you have any generator you're familiar. But in this demo right here, I'm just going to use the service of Article AI Generator, which is pretty straightforward to follow. So here in Article AI Generator, go to App Secret Key. And here we will just need to request to create an article right there. So we will use this URL, method is post, and header we keep it as blank. We go directly here in query string. So the first parameter will be the username from our Article AI Generator, which is right here. So you just need to copy and paste the data and then add parameter again. So next important thing is secret key right there. Let's paste that, and of course copy the secret key and pop that in. The next thing is keyword, which we will be getting from here. Keywords, as you can see, from column A, from the data that we will get here from Google Sheets. Okay, just put that in the value right there. Keywords, okay? So that's it. That's the basic information that you will need, okay? If you want to keep your article short, so you can pass length for short. By default, it will produce medium length article, but I just want to have the demo quick. So let me just produce short article, which is, a pretty decent number of words too, around 2,000 words. Okay, so it's pretty decent. And then here, make sure in the parse response, you will set that to yes, okay? Because we will need to fetch all the data, and we can do that if we set that to parse response as yes. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try this. So we will have a test data. So let's run once. That the automation is successful. We see right here, if we fetch that, you will see the data right there. Okay, how to get a reservation at Nobu Malibu. Look at that. We have the pretty nice content right here, which we can make a WordPress post. Now the next step is post that to our WordPress. Okay, there is a WordPress here. There is a WordPress module in make.com. But if you want to simplify your because here you need to install make.com plugin in your WordPress. Sometimes make.com doesn't work, that module, that plugin, because it's outdated. So to simplify the work here in plugins, what you need to do is just install this JSON basic authentication right there. And you can grab that from here. So you click generate single article or generate bulk articles. You will see the link right there to download that plugin right here, setup guide for automatic WordPress posting. Okay, and then install that plugin using this add new plugin and upload the zip, and you will be able to have this plugin right there. Once your plugin is there, then you will be able to use this WordPress automation helper, which you can easily post your your post blog posts without having too much setup. It's very simple right there. You need the just post title, of course, post content, and identifier. Identifier is the credential of our WordPress right here, because here you will be able to add multiple credentials, okay, so that you can easily automate your WordPress or your Reddit or your Medium. So let's add that. So here we will select WordPress, and the URL of our new WordPress right here. We just need to grab that, copy that, and come over here. Let's put this as the name of our website, and then the URL. Okay, our URL. Here you can create a new user credentials in your WordPress. In the meantime, I'm just gonna use the admin. Okay, but recommendable to create a new user editor role. Okay, so you won't use your admin credentials here, but that's fine. This is just for demo. So add credentials right there. Now that we have the credentials, go to credentials. Now you will have this identifier, which can be easily, integrate in make.com. Now let's do that. So here again in make.com, instead of this WordPress, because you will need at least 2 to 3 modules in order to post to WordPress. So to simplify that, you just need the HTTP call once more, make HTTP call and make this as post. And here, going back to circuitai.online. Okay, now just copy this. Okay, request URL right there. We paste that, and then here the header parameters. So again, we go back to the instruction and just copy this content type right there. This is very quick, guys, very easy to follow, and you will be able to set up your own make.com. You don't need to hire someone, to pay someone, to make your own automation. So this is a free guide for you. And then copy this right there. Now that's the only thing you need for headers. For skip the query string. We don't need that. We only need that for this one, the article AI generator. But this one, use this body type, which is the form URL encode right there, and then add the fields. This is where we're going to add the data from here. Okay, again, very easy to follow. Your username, okay, so that it will identify which Circuit AI, that online account you are using, which is right here. Make sure you take care of this identifier. I'm showing this to you because it's just a demo. I will be deleting this anyway. So here, take care of this identifier. You should be the only one knows this, because it's easy to, have someone to post on your WordPress, okay? So copy the username right there, paste that, and again, add item. Now, we only need 4 values here, which is, pretty simple compared to, having the, local module here for posting a WordPress post. But you can use that as well, but I'm just showing you the quick way, okay? So identifier, this is where you're going to use the identifier, which is right here. This is the credential that we need to use, okay? This one right here, the ID of the identifier, okay? Then copy that right there, and then here, post title. Okay, I just know it because it's here, post title, so it's easy to remember, post title and post content. That's it. That's all the parameter that you need. Post title, of course, that's from here. Okay, so we map that, okay, directly. And then another thing is post content. And then, of course, the content right here, post content, okay, post content. That's it. And make sure you have this parse response, because this will return as the post ID of the WordPress post that it got created. We may need that for future, like if we want to get data from that WordPress post. So yeah, make sure you set that parse response to yes, click OK. Now we will be able to post. Actually, this tree will be able to, for you to automate your WordPress blog post. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do is, of course, this is the important item, because we want to post on our Pinterest. Okay, so first we create a board. Okay, so let's say Malibu travel, discover Malibu. Okay, so make it an attractive title. Discover Malibu, that's the name of our board where we will be posting all our attractive pins right there. Okay, now here, going back to automation helper, again, we have this free image automation helper, which will create a beautiful AI image for us, and it's free. You just need to get your API from here, and the guide just right here. Okay, so you can watch this video as well if you want more instruction about that. So let's go ahead and create our nice image right here. So what we just need to do is copy this to create an image, go back to our automation. Now add the third HTTP. So very easy to remember. We just need to use this HTTP all the time, make a request, and we'll be able to create easily our own automation right there. So click on post, and here the URL to create an image. Okay, now we just need to follow the simple parameters that we will be adding. Of course, the prompt. Okay, the prompt will be coming from the keyword we will be getting from the Google Sheet, the same keyword that we use to generate articles. So here, of course, we will need to add a header as well. So just follow all the instruction here. Pretty easy to follow. Content type right there. And then again, coming back here, so you copy the value right there. And here in the body type, choose the same thing. And this is where we will need to add those exciting parameters to create the image. So prompt, which is the first parameter as indicated here. Now, our prompt will be coming from the same keyword we use to generate articles. So we will map that to keyword column from here. All right. Then the next parameter will be our API key, which is indicated there. Okay, and API key, you grab that from here. So I have that now, which I'll just need to copy. So paste the value right there. Okay, and then add item. The next thing that you want to do is the image size. So for Pinterest, the image size should be vertical. So it will, optimize properly in our Pinterest. Okay, so this one vertical right here for image size. So we copy the image size right there and set that to vertical. And the last thing, which is the very important, this is where we attract more people to click on our pins. If we have the image text right there. So here, we will pass that as parameter. So if we want to add image text to our nicely done pin, we can use the keywords, or you can have your own, let's say, for example, visit Malibu today. Okay, that's just for an example, but you also map your own keyword right there. Or what you can do is create a third column right here where you can say a caption text where you put some attractive caption for your pins. You can do that as well. But for this demo, let's just put visit Malibu today just to show you guys the image text. Now, in the parse response, of course, we have to set that as yes. Always set the parse response to yes whenever you need to call the HTTP module, okay? Then click OK. Now, we're almost done. The next thing that we need to do is, of course, paste that to our Pinterest. Create a Pinterest pin. Okay, create a pin right there. And here, choose the new Pinterest board that we just created. This one, Discover Malibu. And here, the source type will be the image URL, which is coming from here. So here, the image URL will be coming from the data, which is right here. You should name this HTTP. If you have multiple HTTP, you can name that, so that here, when you're trying to map, there won't be any confusion. But anyway, make.com has this, functionality that, you see it's blinking whenever you're choosing the appropriate module right there. So just choose the data, because this will return the URL of the image that you generate. Okay, now here, the board, of course, we will choose the Discover Malibu right there. Now, the title will be the same keyword that we use right here. And the link, of course, this is the important, going to our WordPress actual post where you can have all your links. Okay, so click OK for now. So what we need to do, and link this. And also, guys, if you want your post, because this one, the WordPress helper that we're trying to create here, we didn't send the image, okay? If you want to add, this is optional, if you want to add the generated image directly as your featured image as well, we have to pass this parameter, okay? So what we just need to do is to, because the step that we need, first we need to generate image. So I think we should swap the positioning, this one right here, okay? So it will generate the image first, okay? Click OK. And then here, we create the post. We create the post to our WordPress, and then we add more parameter. Okay, we add more parameters. So add item, very easy. Add image, set that to yes. And then here, image URL. Okay, image URL will be again from this one. Okay, so we will get the data because that will return an image URL. Okay, you can also in Article AI Generator, you can also have your directly the image generated. But since in this video we are using this free image generator, so we will do that. Okay, we will continue that, but you can play around. Okay, you can experiment which one works for you. Okay, now image URL will be again coming from here, and then click OK. Now let's try to create one post so that we will have the data. We will have the data that we need to pass here. Now here, once we successfully post that to our, WordPress, it will return us the post ID and the post URL. Okay. Now the post URL, you will be able to set that here. Okay. In the create pin of our Pinterest. So our pin will have a link going to our post. Now, before we get all the data from here, we need to do a sample test. So let's run this once again. So it will create the image and the image text. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so our automation looks like has been run successfully. So now let's take a look at the data right here. It should now be posted to our WordPress. So as you can see right here, it's a success post. And here, this is the URL. Okay, this is the URL, which is actually should be permalink, because here in the post right here, we should set the post status to publish. So we will get the actual here post status. The post status here in WordPress should be published, just like that. So we pass published. In the automation, so post status should be published, just like that. Okay, so we will get in the response the permalink. Okay, since this is in draft mode, that's why it just gave us the ID of the post. So when we go here, so that's the post right there. I think we delete that. I'll just delete it and, run another automation so that we have the proper data right here with all the status, indicated here correctly. So publish like that. Let's run this once more. Okay, so it looks like the automation is again successful. So let's see the data right here. Okay, the permalink is right there. Okay, now let's open this post right there, and look at that. We have the post and we have the text. This is don't worry about this because this is optimized for the Pinterest pin. And look at that. We have the pretty nice image right there. So if you actually take a look at the actual image that we will be posting to Pinterest, so we open that and you see that's the text right there. How to get a reservation. So because this is AI, so you have to retry it multiple times. But visit Malibu today. This is attractive enough to post to your Instagram. I mean to Pinterest. Anyway, we will have the second keyword right here. So we mark this as done. So now we have the data. We can now create directly the Pinterest pin right there. So we have the data of the URL where we need to need the image to create the pin, and then our board, our keyword, now the description right here. This is very simple. What we need to do is get the actual content right here, which is right here, but this is too long. So what you need to do is first we need to strip the click this data string functions integrated in make.com. We have to strip HTML first. Okay, so this one, drag it slowly inside the parentheses. Okay, now we strip the HTML. Now we have to reduce to we have to trim it down to 800 characters only. So what you have here is the substring. This is what we need to trim it down. So substring. Okay, so this entire here, that from strict HTML up to the closing parentheses, we have to pass that in the first parameter. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, it's I think I have to do it manually. Let me do that quickly. Okay, so right there, I set it to just 500 characters and then that. So that means they will need to click the link right here. The link right here can be fetched from the permalink that we gathered from here, the response, post URL, okay, right there. Okay, now we have the actual pin creation step done. Okay, let's click OK. Now we have to generate again to see the final result. So this should generate this one, dog-friendly beaches in Malibu. Okay, now let's run this. We should now have our WordPress post as well as the Pinterest pin with the text. Okay, so look at that. Just a very minimal number of steps and we will be able to create our pin and generate a WordPress post. So let's run this again. And look at that, looks like our automation is successful. There you go, it created a pin. We should now have the pin in our Pinterest board. So let's refresh this board. And there you go, our first pin right there. Okay, visit Malibu beaches. Okay, visit Malibu today. Okay, this one, because it's an AI image, but this is the text that we will need. Okay, so look at that. This is about dog-friendly beaches in Malibu. Look at that. We have this keyword right there and the description where you have the trim down description right there. That means they will need to click this pin. They will need to click that. So when they click this, this will land into our actual WordPress post right there, which we will have all the affiliate link that we need from Viator or any hotel affiliate program that you join. Okay, you can put that here using the ad inserter. Okay, so for ad inserter, to easily do that, what we have to do is again go to plugins, take this add new plugin, and now in the plugin right here, just type in ads inserter. Okay, just install this first one right here, and we click on activate. Okay, now since our niche, the blog that we are setting up is about Malibu tour or Malibu traveling to Malibu. So here in Viator affiliate program, what we need to do is my favorite here is to get widgets. So here in widgets, you can take this create widget right here, and here you can type the destination or whatever you are promoting. So in our case, let's say Malibu, and it will show you the suggestion right here. Click that, and it will show you all this program right here, or the tour package available in Viator that you can put as your affiliate links. You can put it in your website so that every time visitor visit your website, they will see this. They will see this package tour, and there's a possibility that you will get a commission once they book a tour right here. Okay, so just name this widget, for example, Malibu, and then save and generate code. So you will have this grid or a list. Let's try the grid first. So save and generate. Okay, so this is the data that you need to copy. Just click copy and then go back to your WordPress configuration. Here in the add inserter, go to settings. In block 1, what you just need to do is enable this post. So the effective position here, effective placement is before content. Paste your affiliate script that you copy from Viator affiliate program. So this will appear in all the posts. You have a tick here and before the content. Now save this and let's see how it appears in all our posts. Right there. Now let's refresh and see how it appears now. And there you go. This is our affiliate link. Look at that. Very nicely placed here in our post right there. So whenever someone clicks the link, okay, from our Pinterest right here, for example, they wanted to visit Malibu today. So this is the text that we added. And we have here dog-friendly beaches in Malibu. They click that, and they will see this post right here. They will see this blog post. They will read it. And if they're interested, because you have the pretty nice, decent SEO-friendly article right here, there is a pretty good chance landing a commission by someone getting a package from here that you added. So you can do that. You can also place in the middle of the post right here. You just need to change the placement. So I'll show you some examples. So for example, after paragraph right there, you can do that, and then set this to just right here. So you can change this to this one, percentage sign. Let's say, for example, every fourth paragraph, okay, every fourth paragraph, this a snippet will appear. Save the changes. Okay, now let's refresh our blog post. It should be in every fourth paragraph now. Let's do that. Okay, let's scroll. There you go. Okay, so after reading, in the middle of their browsing your article, they will be shown this affiliate script that you added, and they can book anytime by just clicking this affiliate link. So here it's appearing every fourth paragraph, so you have a good visibility of this booking right here. Yeah, it's great. So I think you learned something hopefully you learned something from this video. And if you have any questions, leave the comment down below. And please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you. And hopefully you subscribe, and there will be much more exciting videos that I will be adding in the next few days. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, and please hit the like button. Thank you, and have a nice day.